Okay, so since we're dealing with common fraction under addition, okay, now let's add the two common fraction, okay. Let's say I have 2 over 3 plus 5 over 6. Okay, so how can I add the two fractions? But the first thing I check the denominators. Here I'm having a 3, here I'm having a what? A 2, a 6, okay? So how many 3's do I have here? It's only 1. How many 3's do I have here? There are 2, okay? So that means here there is a missing 3, okay? So that means here I will have to go and multiply by 2 over 2, so that there are 2 3's here, there are 2 3's here, okay? So 2 times 2 will give us a 4, then 2 times 3 will give us a 6, then plus, how many here? We are having 5 over 6. So now the denominator is the same. So since the denominator is the same, I simply take 1 and add the numerators. So I have 6, 4 plus what? A 5, okay? So what is 4 plus a 5 will give us a what? A 9 over 3, okay? So, a 9 over 6, okay? So that is our final answer.